Hey y'all, we're on another adventure today. We're gonna go hiking, we're gonna go see a waterfall, and I'm gonna bring you guys along, so come on! What? No? I wouldn't say that. It always looks like a giant came through here and just knocked all this stuff down, to me at least. Very cool. It's very pretty today. Bless you. We're at the halfway point. Yay! It's not very long, but there's a little caterpillar right here. Let's see if I can focus. It's pretty cool. It's really dangerous. But yeah, very pretty. The bridge we were on is right there. Trails this way. It's gonna be really loud over by the waterfall, but I'll film some. You just won't be able to hear me say anything. There's a pupper. You said it and I recorded it. I'm not editing that out. There's really pretty wildflowers over there.
It took me like 50.
We're on our way back to the parking lot and kind of sung that. I'm falling off the trail. Gotta watch where I'm going more than my camera. And the way back is a whole lot easier than the way there was. There's no stairs, it's just this road because it's a fire access to the Cascades in case people get hurt. So it's more like a road. So it's pretty easy, but you can't see any of the water. It's way over there. It's kind of sad, but yeah, see y'all later. Hey guys, I just realized I forgot to end this vlog, so if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.